So what's the difference between pharmaceutical stocks and biotechnology companies? Even though both are in the healthcare sector, there's a slight difference. Pharmaceutical companies usually use chemicals during their research stage to form new medicines. But for biotechnology company, they actually use living organism, gene therapy as such to come up with their new drugs. For pharmaceutical company, they are usually well funded. There's a lot of research basis before the drugs are actually released in the mass market. But for biotechnology companies, they are usually not so well funded, and it's kind of like a make or break stage. And that's why if you look at biotechnology companies, you often find their stock price surge whenever the FDA actually approves that. The FDA stands for the Food and Drugs Administration that is based in the United States, and they actually regulate companies like pharma and biotech companies. So if a biotech company actually receives the approval, then naturally the stock price will surge because of the upside that they can get. So it's kind of like a make or break situation where if the companies are burning money through their research, and if the FDA didn't approve, then the company in the future may not have enough funding to do so. And that's why if you look at the stock prices for biotechnology companies when it's nearer to the FDA outcome, when it's positive, you usually kind of see the price surge. And for investors, really the question is, do you want to subject your investments to something that you have no certainty about? Let me know in the comments.